What's happening, guys? Well, I'm out here at Salt Springs Campground, and I was given a hammock, among a few other things, to do a review on. So we're gonna try this thing out, see what it's like. You'll get an honest review of what I think of this thing. I love hammocks, I've got quite a few of them, so I feel like I can give you guys some good feedback on this, and yeah, we'll kind of go from there. All right, let's see what we got in here. Skyloft. All right, so this is the nylon rain tarp. Get that into the camera there, and there is the hammock. Let's put this thing together and see what it looks like. All right, the bag is not connected to the hammock. That is one thing that I usually like, because then you don't have to worry about losing your bag. But that's not a deal breaker. Just a couple little stakes. To be honest, I feel like something's missing right now. Where are the straps to go around a tree with? If this does not have those, well, there's the rain tarp. I just don't know. Yeah, I've got extra straps too, but I don't want to use them. This should have straps. It's supposed to have straps, it should have straps. If I hadn't gotten this for free, I'd be pretty pissed right now. Still kind of aggravated. No straps. Take a break for a second. Okay, so most of y'all know Billy. Billy just made me look stupid. Okay, the straps fell out on the ground. All right, it's as simple as that. Either that or Billy came up and hid them, and yeah. So anyway, maybe that'll be cut out and y'all won't even know about this. Beauty of editing. It's got the straps, it's got the hammock, and it's got the rain cover. It all feels like it's pretty good stuff. We're gonna put this up between those trees right there. You guys will be along for the ride. Here we go. Oh, it does have bug netting. I thought it did. D-rings feel pretty strong. We'll go a few of them down, see how that works out in the long run. Pretty impressed with this so far. All right, let's open it up and take a look. There's that. Yeah, I'm gonna go up a couple because I know it's gonna stretch whenever I first get in it. Let's see how easy it is to put this bug netting on. Yeah, seems like it'll work. That seems pretty good. Next thing we've got is the rain tarp. That's kind of cool. One second, come with me over here. We are going to use a couple of tent stakes. That'll work right there. All right, so I'm going to say that this thing's pretty good. You can pick them up on Amazon. The links will be in the description. And yeah, if you're looking for, there's Billy. He was the cameraman. Right here. So if you're looking for a new hammock, this is not a bad option. It's got a few of the cool things, the rain fly. It's got the bug, whatever you call that, bug netting. And it's comfortable. And it seems like it's built pretty well. So I don't think you can go wrong with this one. Billy, anything you want to add?
No, I like it. I'm missing a few parts on mine, but.
All right, guys, we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Easthills Outdoors, I think you did a good one with this one.
Did